Let's feel. We're late. Yo, what's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So your Jamaican friend back again with another Stray Kids reaction. So my previous reaction has done well. You guys showing so much support, and you guys said I can check out some more Stray Kids song. So this song was done like 11 months ago, and I'm way back in time. Okay, so I'm happy to check out this one. But first thing first, I want to say thank you all so much for this. Thank you all so much for showing so much support. As a Jamaican youth, it's my first time reacting to a Stray Kids song, and that was extremely well done. Okay guys, so this song that we're going to react to, it's called Stray Kids La 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 music video. So if you guys have any more suggestions that you guys want me to check out next for Stray Kids, feel free to leave them down in the comments for some more reactions to their songs. So without further ado, let's take a walk into Stray Kids world. Well, first thing first. Oh, the beat is fire, bro. Bro, the beat is fire. Oh, yo, the beat is good. All right. So I'm happy that the subtitles came up. So this part is saying, right? No more worries. Rock, hard night, rock. Okay, this is sounding good, and I'm excited. Let's continue. This is a beautiful music, right? So we're going to continue with the subtitles. So this one says, right? If you can't hide from it, put it up with getting stung. Oh yeah, definitely, most definitely, right? And I do like music that is way more motivational than some songs that is not, right? Because we do a lot of songs out there which is not motivational, but this song is literally so let's continue on. I want to hear more. One thing I want to say, right? The voice is beautiful. The voice is something that I could sit and I can listen every day. Guys, there's so much music out there in the world right now. It's bizarre. But to sit and to listen to Stray Kids, it's a plus for me. It's magnificent. So this title says, right? There are no boundaries in enjoying ourselves. That's facts. That's facts. We can go and we can enjoy ourselves right through because it is us. It is us. Life is for living. Let us enjoy ourselves in the fullest. Let's give thanks. Okay. Let's feel the rhythm after, bro. That's vocals. That's bars there. Okay, and he said like, cause we will make it rock. Let us feel the rhythm of the world, cause we will make it rock. Let's rock the world together, bro. Let's feel the rhythm of the world. Let's feel people. Let's feel the dances. Let's feel the entire atmosphere, cause we're gonna make this world rock. Let's continue, bro. I love this. I love this so much. The message. the message in this song is connecting. It's hitting. It's punching, bro. I do like to see music doing so well, especially for people who are not from my country, Jamaica. Bro, I love to explore a lot more because for me, I do not know much at all about the Stray Kids, but I can tell that the music that they're releasing is fantastic. So let's continue. La 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 la.
Just feel the rock. We let it rock. Just feel the rock. We let it rock.
Let's feel the rock. We let it rock. La la la. Bro, that's crazy bars. That's crazy bars. Ah! That's superstar, bro. Oh my god. La 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 la. Then the smooth voice chips in. And you know what the smooth voice says, right? Inhale, come on, breathe, oxygen. Gonna move fast that body. We have to take in the oxygen to move. Let's move that body fast as possible so we can't run out of breath easily. Oh my god, this is one of the best music I've heard. Right? We're gonna rock. The move don't stop. Going for a rock. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. I wanna keep on rocking, man. Wow. Whoa. Oh yeah. That's marvelous. That is marvelous. Hey, I do like this crew. I do like this team. One of the most solid teams I've seen, right? In all my time of reacting to K-pop music. Very good. Very good. Mix a bit of everything on empty page, an empty stage. So, for instance, okay, so the stage is empty, right? And we have the fans down there in the congregation, right? So we're gonna give a mix of everything of us. Dances, moves, everything, because we're enjoying ourselves. So that's bars again, man. Crazy, bro. Crazy.
We will make it rock.
Please, can someone tell me who else is feeling this song? Who else is feeling the beat, bro? The beat is insane, man.
가리지 않는 so sick 어디든 흘러나오는 대로 move and show it 낮이고 밤이고 난 그로 살아가지 oh
Crazy. Okay, so one of my next bro, come think of it, he's one of my favorite singer in the crew. He's one of my favorite singer in the crew. I like the guy that I love his tone, and this one is a raspy voice one. I do like his tone, bro. His tone is crazy. Okay, so he's saying that day and night we live for a rock. Oh, shoosh. Let's rock on, bro.
쉔 피해 곳 없이 부딪혀 쾅쾅 쳐대자고 정적과 부정적 에너지 타파 라라라라라라라라
Crazy, bro.
Just feel the rock. We'll let it rock. Just feel the rock. We'll let it
Let's feel it. We'll let it rock. Look.
rock. 우리 가라 라라라 빛이 도로가 라라라 Rock and roll. We dancing till we fall. Don't stop, baby, here we go.
Yo. No stopping. Here we go. 24/7 keeping it roll. Bro, we have to keep it rolling, bro. If we want to enjoy ourselves, bro, we have to keep it rolling. We have to keep it going. 24/7, non-stop.
24/7, keep it going on. Rock and roll, we dance until we fall. No stopping, here we go. No stopping, here we go.
Yo, no stopping. Here we go. No stopping. Here we go. Then why wanna stop? When we read thus far, let's continue. Because the race is not for the swift, but who can endure it?
We go.
Whoa, I gotta say, bro, wonderful music. If you guys reach thus far in this reaction, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. This was a very great song by the Stray Kids. If you guys want some more Stray Kids reaction, please state the suggestion down in the comments. Hit that like button for more and hit that subscribe button to be notified of whenever time I releases another reaction for the Stray Kids. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.